You have awakened new abilities, my queen. If you wish, you can activate them now.
Isha, when the Queen of Blades... when I commanded the swarm here on Char, what was I like?
You were mighty. You made us cunning and strong. And we knew we would survive forever under you.
And now?
Now nothing is clear, but the swarm will continue. If you die, we will serve another leader.
I am the leader of the swarm, and if I die, so do all of you. Remember it.
Your strategy against the Terrans was strange, but I understand it now.
Abathur's changes are bearing fruit. Do you remember what I told you on the battlefield?
Vision. Is this like cunning?
No.
Viciousness?
Abathur, go to him.
His work is painful.
His work will make you understand vision.
I will go.
I don't need to read Warfield's mind to know what he's planning for me. He has no idea what he's up against.
Your power level has increased. A new tier of abilities has awakened.
Tell me about your work.
Look at flesh, see only potential. Strands, sequences, twisting, separating, joining. See how it could be better. Eat flesh, splinter bone. Inside me can touch it, weave it, spin it, make it great.
But not perfect?
Never perfect. Perfection goal that changes. Never stops moving. Can chase. Cannot catch.
You certainly have your uses.
To rule Char once again, we must destroy the Terran fortress. They will fight with everything they have. We need only your command, my queen.
We've reached the Terran fortress. They're dug in and ready for us. There's the subtlety here. We will go after them wherever they are, and overwhelm them.
Prepare for nuclear launch. I want the only thing left of these bugs to be glowing corpses.
General Warfield is activating his nuclear arsenal.
We have to move fast. Zagara, you set up a hive cluster while I take this wave and do as much damage as I can. Out with it. Get going.
I will ready a hive cluster for the swarm, while you do as much damage as you can, my queen.
Send me reinforcements when you can. This is going to be bloody.
Here they come! Lock and load!
Repel the Zerg assault. Don't budge an inch.
Stands in my way. Swarm hunters.
More of the swarm have arrived to reinforce your attack, my queen.
Out with it. Yep. Who asked you? This world is mine. Leave Char. If you stay, I will slaughter your men to the last.
For this? To kill more people?
I am sending more Zerg to you, my queen. May they be useful in your attack.
Evacuate civilians. Soldiers, stand your ground.
The Terrans are launching another nuclear missile. Clear the area.
Get going. There's not much time. We're running out of time.
Wipe them out, men! These bugs will never take charge. Time for the nuclear option. Kill them all!
Our hive cluster barely survived that blast, my queen.
Warfield will drop more nukes on us as his arsenal comes online. Our only hope is to breach his tactical operations center. Once we're inside, it's all over.
I have created something to help you destroy the Terrans. The aberration.
Sequences sloppy, yet effective.
Use them, my queen. Take control of the base, and the Terrans will learn to fear the swarm. We require more minerals.
You have my attention. The swarm hungers.
My queen, within these facilities, the Terrans experiment upon the Zerg. This cannot be allowed.
I'll destroy them if I get the chance, Zagara.
We require more minerals.
What is it now? The swarm never rests. Out with it. Push ahead. Get go- Yes? Speak quickly.
We require more minerals. Our forces are under attack.
There's not much time. Out with it. Nothing stands in my way. Let's get this over with.
We require more minerals.
swarm hungers. You have my
Damn it! You'll regret this, Kerrigan.
world is mine.
Mutation.
Men, we've located the Zerg Hive cluster. Deploy assault teams.
We require more minerals.
Who asked you? Get going. Push ahead. Yes? There's not much time. Who asked you? You have my attention. Speak quickly. Out with it. This world is mine. Push ahead. We have met the enemy in combat. Yes? The swarm hungers.
Nuclear missile detected. Oh, we have detected another nuclear missile launch.
Nothing stands in my way.
We require more minerals.
Get going. This world is mine. You have my attention. Who asked you? What is it, Nan?
We require more minerals. We must place that on time.
The swarm hungers. You have my attention. Out with it. Get going. Push ahead. Yes?
the wounded to the evac ships!
Let's get this over with. Push ahead.
We should morph units that can attack flying units. Morphing hydralisks or queens will allow us to destroy the enemy's flyers.
Warfield has launched another missile at our forces.
This world is mine. The swarm never rests. Who asked you? Get going. Yes? Let's get this over with. You have my attention. Nothing stands in my way. The swarm never rests. What is it now? Who asked you? These minerals are very rich. Zagara, get some drones over here. I've taken out the science facilities. That'll put an end to Warfield's experiments.
I hope those bugs are good company, 'cause they'll join you in hell.
You should have left Char to me, Warfield.
We require more minerals.
Nothing stands in my way. Yes?
We require more minerals.
Let's get this over with. Out with it. Speak quickly. The swarm never rests. There's not much time. Push ahead. This world...
We require more minerals.
Get going. Nothing stands in my way. Push ahead. What is it now? The swarm never rests. Get this over with.
Damn it, girl! We saved you! How could you return to this?
The Terrans have launched a missile.
Not much time. Nothing stands in my way.
Mutation complete. Spawn more overlords.
The swarm never rests. Yes?
more people?
This world is mine. Yes?
Ghost teams Bravo and Delta, open fire!
What does it mean? Get going. There's not much time. Push ahead.
Our forces are under attack.
There's not much time. This world is mine. Nothing stands in my way. Get going. The swarm never... What is it now? Who asked you? Push ahead. Nothing stands in my way. There's not much time. This world is mine. Quickly. What is it now?
Mutation complete.
Get...
Nuclear launch detected. The Terrans are launching another nuclear missile. Clear the area.
Out with it. You have my attention. The swarm never... Yes? Who asked you? What is it now? Let's get this over with. This world is mine. Push ahead. The swarm. Out with it. Speak quickly. There's not much time. Nothing stands in my way. You have my attention. The swarm never rests. Hunt them all down, but leave General Warfield to me.
Lieutenant, get the wounded to those shuttles.
We're almost there. Should I send a team to get you?
I'm fine, Lieutenant. Just see to those wounded. I'll get out another way.
General, there's too many Zerg. We're not gonna make it.
Kerrigan, you listen to me. I have 3 shuttles packed with men too injured to ever be a threat to you. Husbands, fathers, you let those shuttles go. You hear me?
General, we're surrounded. There's no way out.
You bitch. You're not even human anymore. You betrayed us all. For what? Petty revenge? How many innocents have you killed? How many more have to die? What if Raina could see you right now?